This is a Ferrari F12 Berlinetta that's been tuned and modified by Novitec. Novitec called this body kit the N-Largo. Some of the things from the F12 still remain, some of the things are new. This flap here is from the F12 and it lets air in when needed. The front splitter is new. The grille is much bigger, so it looks like it's more happier to see you since its smile is bigger. Then you have this carbon fiber details on the hood. This one is basically an air tunnel. The F12 basically has this tunnel that pushes air through this opening here. This adds downforce on the front wheels and improves the car's handlings. So basically Novitec have widened the fenders a lot, and of course not just the fenders, they've had to adjust the front suspension, the axle, everything. So now the car actually looks much more different because it's much wider than it was before, and that has allowed Novitec to add this small air duct here, as well as small air ducts there with the rear wheels. So these air ducts, they let the air out when the wheels are spinning. And speaking of the wheels, look at them. There's so many nuts here, and there's a glossy part, there's a matte finish part. It's a really nice detail. I love the Continental tires, the red brake calipers, the red Ferrari logo. That's one good thing about Novitec, is that they've let the car keep its Ferrari logos. Other companies like Mansory, when they modify Ferraris or any other car, they remove all logos. The tail lights, you can see it's surrounded by carbon fiber. The small wing is also there now. This is also by Novitec. So Novitec have also completely added the carbon fiber parts for the rear and the racing lights here at the back as well. So those details are nice. Overall, the engine in the F12 is a 6.3 liter V12 that makes 740 horsepower, and this Novitec makes 780 horsepower. That's a very big body kit for just 40 horsepower. But because Novitec were more focused on performance rather than top speed or big numbers, they were more focused on how the car performs. So that's one thing that I really like about them, unlike Mansory, who are psychopaths who design cars. So have a look at my channel. I have lots of other videos of supercars, hypercars, electric cars, luxury cars, SUVs and trucks.